It's race day. It's way too early. Still have to put my numbers on. I'm number 3. The last 2 years of this event, I've been number 1. I'm number 3. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Would you like me to help you with this?
We got it. Thanks. What's there? Moment of truth. Oh, you can't see it. It says 47. I made it. This is more exciting than when I make it at the airport. Parking zone. Very convenient. These 7 mesh bibs. They're pee bibs, so you just pull them down. It's also good for pooping.
I'm glad to have you. I'm glad that you're so excited.
Why am I even... Why?
Why not?
Exactly. 2 hours in, I got dropped so soon on the pavement, like mile 5. I picked people off on a climb, gaining ground on descent. Small group of women just passed. Had to remind myself, I'm racing me, not them. I'm just setting my own pace. My head kind of hurts. I let my heart rate go too high. I'm trying to remember to drink, stay hydrated, eat carbs, fuel my brain, stretch out my neck. 4 more days of this. Day 1's always hard for me. Climbing, I passed a woman on the descent, trying to stay away from her on the climb. Not going all out, but trying to not settle. Trying to take some small victories. Fitnessing is hard. It's now the only way I'm going to eat goldfish. Carrie, your tent has some structural problems. Oh man, Carrie's already showered and changed, and I just got back. That's not a good sign.
I think I have my helmet on.
I don't have my helmet. I popped a wheelie. Post-ride snack station. Nutella, honey, trail mix, peanut butter sandwich. Little corner of camp. Day 1 results are in. For the women, I got 13th. And you would need a sundial to calculate the amount of time back from Sofia I was. I'm a little surprised. Yeah, I think the heat was a bit much, the head was a bit much, the fitness is a bit opposite of much. But everyone's a hero on day 1. Let's see what day 2 brings. It's beautiful weather though.
This is terrible. You're missing a lot, dude. Adjust.
It is 6:15 in the morning. Somebody's alarm clock has been going off for 10 minutes. I'm gonna scout them out and see if they're dead. Is there anybody in this tent? You guys are witnessing this breach of privacy. More cart action, packing up this morning. This is teamwork. Me? Also head. I'm normally not a fan of hauling, but this is a good sign for me. The group I was pulling past me when the climb got steeper, I almost just let them go. And then I said, not today, Satan. So I'm doing the effort I can to keep him on eyesight. Maybe pass him on the down. I gotta go by. All by myself. There's a group in front of me. I can never catch him on the downhill. Ended day 2. Today was really nice. I started not at the front, so I had the opportunity to pass people and not like be from the start. I had people on my wheel, man. It felt really great. I kept my heart rate in a really great place the whole time. I didn't settle in to a certain pace. As soon as I found myself settling, I like got back on it, and by no means am I like number 3 material, but I'm excited to, I don't know, have a little bit back. My head didn't give me much of an issue today. It was more of a fitness problem and just wanting to stay within myself, so my head didn't become a problem. Tomorrow's the enduro day. Gonna have fun with that, maybe push myself on the downhill a little, although I hate gravel descents. And maybe days 4 and 5 can open up a bit more, see how it goes.
Oh, it's hot. That's warm. It's deep.
$10 for somebody to wash my chamois. I don't actually have $10. Your willingness is very weird.